Welcome to Risksoft Technology. We focus on enabling institutional investors and listed enterprises to resolve 4 structural challenges in the capital markets: market trends, trading instruments, turning point prediction, risk management. Powered by our proprietary GAS Global Asset System, we integrate a multi-tiered architecture and quantitative modeling framework to deliver a unified, data-driven decision platform, spanning cross-market, cross-asset, and macro-to-micro financial intelligence. By combining a bottom-up stock selection strategy, we can identify strong individual stocks from the intersection. At the heart of the system are 6 API-integrated analytical modules and a VFM-based stock selection algorithm, providing clients with real-time, structured data into fund flow monitoring, asset allocation strategies, and market trend analysis. The GAS system is structured across 5 hierarchical analytical layers, each addressing a critical dimension of investment insight. Tier 1, Global Capital Flow Intelligence. At the top layer, GAS analyzes global capital flow dynamics to assess whether liquidity is rotating back into USD and cash equivalents, or moving into risk assets, offering an early macro-level signal of regime shifts between bull and bear markets. Tier 2, Multi-Asset Momentum and Rotation. This layer monitors momentum strength and rotational behavior across 8 major asset classes, providing the foundational insights for dynamic, multi-asset allocation strategies. Tiers 3 to 5. Based on the GICS, we consolidate 165 assets totaling approximately $400 trillion, representing 88% of global market capitalization. Through cross-market comparisons, our framework systematically drills down from sectors to sub-industries and ultimately to individual stocks, enabling a cross-market, cross-asset stock selection strategy grounded in structured analysis. Using a structured multi-factor scoring model that incorporates financial quality, valuation metrics, and technical momentum, we deliver comprehensive, cross-sectional peer analysis, enabling the construction of investment portfolios grounded in repeatable logic and consistent methodology. The GAS system is structured around 6 core API modules, all of which are nested and fully integrated for real-time data interoperability. Enter the API overview. This section presents 7 core market timing risk indicators, capturing capital flow trends, technology sector momentum, market volatility, and systemic stress. By integrating cross-market fundamentals, the model offers a comprehensive macro risk assessment. In the visuals, red zones signal bullish conditions, blue zones bearish. In the 3D model, red spheres represent assets favored in uptrends, while blue spheres denote positions suited for defensive bear market phases. The backtesting results demonstrate that our strategy framework delivers strong and statistically significant performance improvements. Next, let's briefly walk through the 6 APIs. Module 1, Quantified Macro, Global Capital Flow Forecasting, Semiconductor Fundamentals. We divide the market into 2 main segments and use 14 key indicators to distinguish between bull and bear markets, and when combined with our strategy, can effectively enhance performance. Module 2, Quantified Sector Rotation, forecasting the rotation of the 7 major asset classes. The black line represents market risk, while the orange line indicates systemic risk. By combining the macro timing from Module 1 with the sector rotation asset allocation strategy, annualized returns can be further enhanced. Module 3, Quantified Fundamental, for China, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Japan, and United States equities. During a bull market, we focus on assets highlighted by the red spheres, and during a bear market, we look at those indicated by the blue spheres. Applying the VFM stock selection strategy in bull markets delivers more significant performance growth. Module 4, Quantified Risk. Even in a bull market, downturns can occur, so we implement risk control measures accordingly. Using the macro score from Module 1 to identify bull and bear markets, shifting to cash for hedging during bear markets, and in bull markets combining with risk control strategies to avoid sudden drawdowns. Module 5, Quantified Cross-Asset Forecasting, GAS Quantified Top-Down and Bottom-Up Analysis. For forecasts within 60 days of quarter end, the model achieves a directional accuracy of about 60%, correctly predicting the sign of returns. Module 6, Quantified Semiconductor Monthly Revenue with VFM. This analysis also incorporates Taiwan's unique monthly revenue reports. The example shown here uses TSMC as a case study. All scores are standardized using a unified Z-score system, which is based on the time series trends and cross-sectional peer comparisons of 5 key groups. A data dictionary is also provided, containing definitions of key terms and Risksoft Technology's proprietary terminology. Thank you for watching Risksoft Technology's introduction to GAS and the 6 APIs. You're welcome to visit our official website for more information.